Start with a slip knot. And chain 98, or else you can start off with any multiple of 4 plus 2 chains extra for the turning chain. One single crochet the second chain from the hook, this one, and one single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Next on, one single crochet in the first stitch, chain 3 and 3 double crochets in the same stitch, this one. Now skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the next stitch make one single crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Now repeat this until the end. Skip the next 3 stitches and in the next stitch one single crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochets in the same stitch. You'll have one stitch left at the end. Make one single crochet into the last stitch, chain 1 and turn your work. Next round, now skip this 3 double crochets. Now this round onwards we'll be working only in this chain 3 spaces, this one, this one. Now directly go into this chain 3 space and make one single crochet, chain 3 and 3 more double crochets into this chain space. Skip the 3 double crochets. Now in the next chain 3 space, make one single crochet, chain 3 and 3 more double crochets in the same space. Now repeat this in rest of the chain spaces. One single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets, In the last chain 3 space, make one single crochet. This is how it will look. Chain 1 and turn your work. One single crochet into this first stitch. Chain 3 and 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Now skip these 3 double crochets. We will be working in this chain 3 spaces. One single crochet into this chain 3 space. Chain 3 and 3 double crochets into the same space. Repeat this in each of the chain 3 spaces. One single crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochets in the same space. One single crochet into this last chain 3 space. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. Start with one single crochet in the first stitch. Chain 3. 3 double crochets into the same space. Now directly go into the next chain 3 space and make one single crochet. Chain 3. 3 double crochets into the same space. Now repeat this in each of the spaces. One single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets, this is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.